With this organization, we look forward to peep inside the authentic and almost forgotten stories of our ancestors who have contributed significantly to create for us some rich sources of history of those well-off civilizations. Hi, I'm Shagufat Tabassum. I'm working in IKCCR as Executive Administration. History is not something we should be forgotten because it gives us lessons to shape our future. In order to revive this almost forgotten history, we are introducing some short courses with the aim to delve inside some of the well known civilizations of their respective eras. And with this organization, we look forward to peep inside the authentic and almost forgotten stories of our ancestors who have contributed significantly to create for us some rich sources of history of those well-off civilizations. So, what is this IKCCR? It stands for Ibn Khaldun Center for Civilizational Research. To talk more about this project, we have with us Ms. Shumaila. She is working as content developer for IKCCR team. So, Ms. Shumaila, with the word civilizational research, we get an idea that it's something about history. So please tell us a bit more about it, and also why should we study something which has already happened in the past, that too so many decades or maybe centuries ago.
See, retrospective global affairs is not all about just glimpses of monarch and inter-regional or inter-tribal wars and conflicts. Rather, a different angle shows us an interesting side of the story too, which includes great works of art and architecture, contribution to science and technology, and treatment of one community with respect to another in a harmonious way, etc. It also gives us a wide view that numerous such civilizations existed with a highly urbanized way of life, unlike what we generally perceive as being highly rural, backward, or unorganized. So basically, there are many such myths today about past civilizations, and I think that the only way to prove these misconceptions wrong is to dig deep into history and become able to discern between such fallacies and facts.
So, what is the aim behind setting up this organization, or why did you feel the necessity to revive history in the current political scenario?
Well aware about the hot topics of global affairs, but sadly, there are only a handful of people who are aware about the history of this world, of their community, about their stunning forefathers. So, basically, magnificent achievements and brilliant such glories of many such civilizations is a history now, a history which has been long lost. So I think a few people are aware that retrospect of different communities is full of fearless heroism, adventurous anecdotes, prominent and quality education, tremendous power, legendary personalities, colossal victories, and many more such attributes. It's high time that this thriving history should be revisited. Our aim behind this crucial initiative, which we find an urgent need of the hour, is to revive this almost forgotten golden history of the entire world.
Okay, so thank you so much, Ms. Shumaila, for joining us. Now, we hope that we are clear to you all with the message from Team IKCCR. We hope that you all will join us to support this crucial cause, and hence we look forward to interact with you all soon. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.